This section covers connecting USB controllers in your Tesla. First, ensure your Tesla's software is updated to V12 or later for best performance. Plug your USB controller into one of the car's USB ports, typically in the center console or rear seats. The Tesla should automatically detect the controller. If not, go to Tesla Arcade, then Settings, Controller Setup, and select USB mode. Now you're ready to game. Most standard USB gamepads that use the HID, Human Interface Device Protocol, will work with your Tesla. This includes popular options like the Logitech F310, wired Xbox 360 controllers, and PlayStation 4 DualShock 4 controllers. The HID protocol is a standard that allows devices like gamepads to communicate with computers and vehicles, ensuring reliable plug-and-play functionality. Tesla's system supports this protocol, which is why most standard USB controllers work seamlessly. Here are some popular USB controllers that are fully compatible with Tesla vehicles. The Logitech F310 offers great responsiveness and is widely recommended by Tesla owners. Wired Xbox 360 controllers are another excellent choice, providing the authentic Xbox gaming experience with reliable USB connection. PlayStation 4 DualShock 4 controllers also work perfectly when connected via USB, offering DualShock feedback and ergonomic design for extended gaming sessions. It's best to avoid using non-standard devices like racing wheels unless they're explicitly supported by Tesla. These specialized controllers may not follow the HID protocol and could cause compatibility issues. For the best experience, stick to these known, compatible gamepads that use standard HID protocol. This ensures reliable performance and optimal gaming in your Tesla. If your USB controller isn't responding, don't panic. Here's a step-by-step troubleshooting guide to get you back in the game. First, check for any firmware updates for your controller. Visit the manufacturer's website, download the latest update, and install it by connecting the controller to a computer via USB. This often resolves compatibility problems with the Tesla's infotainment system. If that doesn't work, try restarting the Tesla's infotainment system. On the touchscreen, go to Controls, then Power, and select Restart. Wait for the system to fully reboot, which often resolves detection problems and gets your controller working again. Having trouble pairing your Bluetooth controller? Common issues include pairing failures, lag, and disconnections. These often stem from interference or outdated firmware. To start fixing, put your controller in pairing mode. For Xbox controllers, press the Xbox button and the Share button at the same time. For PlayStation controllers, press the PS button and the Share button simultaneously. To pair a Bluetooth controller with your Tesla, start by accessing the touchscreen controls. Navigate to the Controls menu, then select Bluetooth settings. From there, choose the Add Device option to begin the pairing process. Select your controller from the available devices list to complete the connection. If the pairing fails, first check that your Tesla software is updated to the latest version. You can reset the controller by holding its sync button for 10 seconds, or perform a factory reset of the Tesla's Bluetooth by forgetting all paired devices and starting fresh. To improve Bluetooth stability in your Tesla, ensure your controller is fully charged before connecting. This prevents disconnections during gameplay. Avoid using the controller near other Bluetooth devices like phones, as this can cause interference and lead to pairing failures. Remember, USB connections bypass these wireless issues entirely, making them the preferred choice for reliable gameplay. The Tesla uses Bluetooth 5.0 for latency gaming, but USB will always be more stable. Tesla's gaming integration relies on its Linux-based infotainment OS, treating controllers as input devices, similar to a PC. Compatibility depends on driver support within this OS, which Tesla regularly updates. Keep an eye on Tesla software releases, as they often include improvements for controller support and fix known Bluetooth issues. Updates can make a big difference. Tesla's infotainment system runs on a Linux-based operating system, similar to a computer. This OS treats game controllers as standard input devices, providing the necessary driver support for compatibility. Controller compatibility depends on the driver support built into the operating system. Tesla regularly updates this support to include more controller models and resolve issues with both Bluetooth and USB connections. Tesla releases regular software updates that often include improvements for controller support. These updates fix known Bluetooth issues, enhance stability, and add new features. For example, version V12.5.1 brought significant improvements to controller compatibility. Keep an eye on Tesla software releases and check for updates regularly. Installing the latest updates ensures your game controllers work optimally and can significantly improve your in-car gaming experience. Tesla is pushing in-car entertainment forward with innovative features that make vehicles more than just transportation. Hybrid wired wireless controller setups are becoming increasingly popular among owners, combining the reliability of USB connections with the convenience of Bluetooth. Elon Musk has expressed Tesla's ambition to transform vehicles into the ultimate gaming platforms. This vision includes seamless integration of gaming controllers and entertainment systems, making long drives or charging sessions more enjoyable for passengers. Although USB connections currently offer the most reliable gaming experience, Tesla is actively working to enhance Bluetooth connectivity and expand controller compatibility through regular software updates. By 2027, future Tesla models may feature VR/AR headset integration and AI-driven personalization that automatically configures controllers based on user preferences. Despite exciting advancements, regulatory challenges like distracted driving laws may limit certain gaming features during active driving. Current statistics show that 65% of Tesla owners use game controllers regularly, with USB connections preferred by most for their superior reliability and low latency. As Tesla continues to evolve its software and hardware, stay tuned for more exciting gaming advancements in future releases. The journey toward making Tesla vehicles the ultimate mobile gaming platforms is just beginning.